Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate random numbers in Notion. This is incredibly useful when you need to randomly sort items, create lottery-style selections, or assign random values to database entries for prioritization or sampling. First, open Notion and select the workspace you want to work in. And once you're there, navigate to the database where you'd like to generate these random numbers. If you don't have a database set up yet, go ahead and create one now. This could be a task list, a project tracker, or any database where random number assignment would be helpful. At the top of your database, you'll see an option that says plus add a property. Click on it to create a new column. This is where your random numbers will appear. Name this property something descriptive like random number so you can easily identify it later. Next, you'll need to change the property type. Click on the property type drop-down menu that appears and select formula from the list. This tells Notion that you want to use a calculation rather than manually entering values, which is essential for generating numbers automatically. Now click inside the formula field to open the formula editor. This is where the magic happens. Type or paste the following formula exactly as shown to number. Replace all ID circumflex 09 SIP% 10 plus 1. This formula works by extracting the numerical portion of each row's unique ID, then using modulo math to generate a number between 1 and 10. It's a clever workaround since Notion doesn't have a built-in random function. Once you've entered the formula, click Done to save it. You should immediately see random numbers appear in the column for each row in your database. These numbers are unique and consistent for each entry because they're based on the item's underlying ID, which never changes. If you want to adjust the range of numbers, simply modify the formula. For example, change the 10 inches to 100 inches and the plus 1 inch remains the same to generate numbers between 1 and 100. You can customize this to fit whatever range your project requires. Now you can use these random numbers however you need, whether that's sorting your database randomly, filtering items, or making random selections for contests or assignments. The formula ensures each entry gets its own consistent random value. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.